Hello guys, welcome to MKD Mixer. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete Windows file. I recently upgraded from Windows 10 to Windows 11. You can see my C drive has only 28.4 GB free out of 98.8 GB. You can see here I have two folders. One is the window folder and under is windows.old folder. Okay, so if I try to delete from here, then I cannot delete. So it's around you can see 25 or 20 GB. Okay, so if I delete, then 22 or 25 GB space will be deleted from here. Okay, so I'm just calculating the size. So you can see this is the total size, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete those file, those old Windows file. Okay, so let me calculate. The 16 GB is now 18, 19, 20, 22, 25, a total 31 GB, 31.5 GB will be deleted. Okay, so for that you have to go to settings option. Okay, in this settings option you can see, you can verify. I have this is the window 64-bit operating system, and edition is the latest edition. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm cleaning up that space. You have to go to that system settings, and then systems, and then storage. Okay, you need to go to settings, then system, then storage, and in storage there is a temporary file. You need to click here. Okay, and now it's scanning again, so we have to wait for some times. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to. So scanning is 50% completed. You can see we have to wait another 2 minutes. Okay, so you can see, you can see previous Windows installation 25.5 GB. Okay, so I want to delete this file and window upgrade logs, this type of files from here, window error report. Okay, so what I have to do, remove file. Simply I'm clicking here, remove file, continue. Let's see what happened. So it will take some time. After 10 to 15 minutes we can see all the files was deleted, and you can see there is a refresh option. Okay, let's refresh. So yeah, that file is already deleted, and if we see C drive, yeah, you can see 52.8 GB is free. You can see the old Windows file is deleted. Okay, so this is how you can delete your windows.old file from C drive, and you can free some spaces on your C drive. Okay, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe this MKD Mixer channel. Thank you.